This is our industrial Powerline Ethernet bridge, used in many different industrial use, including for port yards. Ports are complex areas. Because of sea tides and large areas, makes it hard to lay down network cables. Wondertek solves this while using Powerline communication. We utilized the port yard existing Powerline to send data, which makes it easier to install, cost-effective, while maintaining high speeds. For example, for Quay Cranes, we send both video and control signals through the crane's power wire, with one unit on the ground and one on the crane. And for Gantry Cranes, the camera connects to our device to send video footage to the control room, ensuring a safe and monitored operation. Even for 10 kV rail crane, we utilize inductive coupling to send data through high voltage lines safely and efficiently. Wondertek solution help ports get better connection and make it more productive. Wondertek offer full OEM and ODM services to answer all your industrial needs.